Fannie Mae says by the end of the year, we will be below 6%. Oh my God. We've been talking about that for the past pretty much 12 months, and now they're saying we promise we will. Let's go ahead and unpack that today. Hey everyone, this is Zaid Hanna with the Hanna Group here at Real Estate 38, and we always start with what's active. We have 432 actives, while at the same time we have 314 pendings. That's close to about 750 total active and pending in the market. We are climbing a lot faster than we did a year ago. This is great news for buyers. What's also great news for buyers is that rates have dropped from 8% down to 7%. And now Fannie Mae is saying we're going to be about 6 or below that. So what does that mean for our market? I think more sellers are going to be paying attention because the values that you are going to be seeing in about 30 days from now are going to be about 5% higher than what you're used to. Yes, I'll say it again. The market is going up. We have so many buyers. It's shoulder to shoulder at the open house. It's properties that were listing before that didn't sell for that price. Now it's actually reaching new heights. So if you're in the market, you're feeling that. If you're watching the market, you're not seeing that yet until the actual sale will publish to a higher point. So if you're thinking about entering, let's educate you with more data to actually give you insight of what's really happening in the market. Because if we went from 8 to 7% and now we have shoulder to shoulder at the open house, what do you think is going to happen when it's going to go down to about 6%? It's going to be a madhouse. So because this is, by the way, there was a pent-up demand of buyers for the past 2 years that everybody was kind of scared of entering. Now I get what the environment is like. I know there are a lot of layoff talks that are happening out there, but buyers are saying, I don't care, I'm still buying. And if you're thinking about entering and you have the confidence to enter the market, we'll be here for you. Feel free to reach out, 408-515-1613. Bye-bye now.